Never throw away your phone charger again. Do this and save your money. That's right, folks. After this tip, you'll never toss out a phone charger again. Why? Almost everyone has been through this. You're using your charger, and it starts cracking at the ends, whether it's one end or the other. And what happens to the charger? It starts charging slower, takes longer to charge your phone, or worse, stops charging altogether and stops working. And what do people usually do? They throw the charger away and buy a new one. But you don't have to do that. I've got a super simple tip to keep your charger from stopping working. And it's really simple. Just head to an electrical supply or hardware store and look for this stuff. It's called heat shrink tubing. It isolates and seals electrical connections. It's really easy to find and super cheap. It comes in packs with several pieces and costs around $1. But in this case, you'll only need one piece. You can save the rest for later. Here's what you do. Grab a piece of the heat shrink tubing and place it right over the cracked area. Cut a piece to the necessary size. On some chargers, the tubing can easily slide over the ends, but if it doesn't, you can widen it with scissors. After widening it a bit, slide the tubing over the damaged area and position it correctly. Once you've done that, remember the name, heat shrink tubing. With heat, it shrinks. So, take a lighter, position the tubing, and run the lighter along it. You'll see it shrinking and fitting snugly around the charger. Keep going until it's nice and tight. Pretty cool, right? Problem solved. To make it even more durable, you can repeat the process with another piece on top. Now it's 100% sealed and more durable than when it came from the factory. Now you can use the charger at home without worrying about it cracking. I'll test it now and show you the charger is working perfectly. I'll connect it and plug it in. See? Working perfectly. Awesome, right? So that's it, folks. Got a charger in this condition? Don't wait for it to stop working. Do this, and I'm sure it'll help you a lot. Remember, the heat shrink tubing comes in packs with several pieces and costs around $1.